Welcome to Proclaim, a presentation of the Catholic Diocese of Alexandria. Join us as we journey together through the Scriptures revealed to us by God.
Good morning and welcome to Proclaim. And so we find Jesus once again predicting his passion. He says, "The Son of Man is to be handed over to men, and they will kill him, and 3 days after his death he will rise." Notice when he predicts his passion, he always also includes the resurrection. Because certainly if it was only his death, then there would be something truly left undone. So it's always that death is not an end, but a transition. And we're told after the second prediction, what we basically were told after the first. They don't get it. It says, "But they did not understand the saying, and they were afraid to question him." And so now it's moved to a further step. They still don't understand, but at the risk of perhaps having him upset with them, they seem to remain silent. That is often the case. Ignorance doesn't always lead to further knowledge. And so we find, as Jesus has just predicted his passion, the disciples, as a further indication of how lacking their understanding is, they're going to be worried about which of them is the most important. We've seen again how that idea of their importance seems to be so important to them that they don't hear anything else. They're constantly thinking of being a part of Jesus in his glory. They don't want to hear the fact that that glory comes at a price, the price ultimately of his life. And so as Mark continues in his narrative to the second half of this 9th chapter of the Gospel, and so the journey continues.
This program was brought to you by Antoon Enterprises.